Top skills every CSPO should master in 2024. Leadership. Effective leadership is essential for CSPOs to guide their teams towards achieving project goals. By inspiring and motivating team members, a CSPO can create a positive work environment that fosters collaboration and innovation. Communication. Clear and concise communication is key for CSPOs to effectively convey project requirements, updates, and priorities to stakeholders and team members. Collaboration. CSPOs must excel at facilitating collaboration among cross-functional teams to ensure smooth and efficient project delivery. Decision-making. CSPOs must be able to make timely and well-informed decisions to keep projects on track and deliver value to stakeholders. Adaptability. In today's dynamic business environment, CSPOs must be adaptable and flexible in response to changing priorities, requirements, and market conditions. Stakeholder management. Building and maintaining strong relationships with stakeholders is crucial for CSPOs to ensure alignment, gather feedback, and drive project success. Technology integration. By staying informed about technological developments, tools, and platforms, CSPOs can lead their teams to adopt solutions that enhance productivity and deliver results. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering these top skills will set CSPOs up for success in 2024 and beyond.